Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. So, have you recently gone private on TikTok but are thinking about making your profile public again? In this video, I will guide you through the steps to unprivate your TikTok account with just a few taps, so that your videos and likes will be visible to anyone using the app. Let's go. Going public allows more people to find and engage with your content and can help you gain more followers and views. To begin, open TikTok on your device and tap the profile icon at the bottom to access your profile dashboard. Click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Go to the Privacy configuration window. Under Discoverability, find the Private Account toggle and simply turn it off. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.